Welcome to 2125 Eagles Ridge Cove in Cantonment, Florida. This gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is over 2,000 square feet and it resides on a cul-de-sac on a no outlet street, so a wonderful bonus to have there with no through traffic. If you'll note the window above the garage, that is walk-in attic storage, which is a wonderful bonus to have. We do have a brick exterior here with hurricane coverings as well. The hurricane coverings on this home are steel instead of the fabric shield, which is more security for you. So we do have a Ring doorbell and a security system on this home. Coming into the foyer here, we do have high 10-foot ceilings and crown molding throughout the main living area. Beautiful hardwood floors in the living room with a gas burning fireplace. There are 2 dining areas. We do have a large breakfast nook over here, just off the back covered patio. Spacious enough. Both areas are spacious enough for table seating 6. Into the kitchen, we have beautiful cabinetry with quartz countertops, a 5-burner gas cooktop, built-in microwave, pantry, and refrigerator with ice and water dispenser. The breakfast bar is suitable to seat 3 people as well. So just a really wonderful layout here. Nice and spacious feeling with these high ceilings. And into our formal dining space. Nice chandelier in here, and we do have blinds throughout as well in this home. So we have a split floor plan, allowing for a little bit of privacy for the primary bedroom. And before we enter into the primary bedroom, we do have an awesome additional storage closet, and I love this bonus feature here. We have a built-in desk area that's just off the laundry room. I kind of like that it's over here by the master suite as well, on the parent side of the house, if you will. Nice little built-in office area. So if you need that extra space, that's definitely a bonus. So very spacious primary bedroom. It is 14 by 14, and we have tray ceilings in here as well. Into the bathroom, we have a double quartz vanity, as well as 2 walk-in closets. The controller for the tankless hot water heater is here in this first closet as well. And just behind the door here, we have our walk-in shower. I didn't turn that light on because of the fan. Custom towel shower. And we do have a garden tub as well over here. Commode over here on this side, and then just off the back we do have our second walk-in closet with wood shelving as well, I might add. No metal wiring here. All right. So on the opposite side of the house, we have our 2 additional bedrooms and full bathroom. Give you a peek at the entryway from this angle here. First bedroom located on the front side of the house. We do have ceiling fans in all bedrooms as well. So pretty spacious bedrooms. Hall linen closet for additional storage. And then in our second bath, we do have a quartz vanity and a shower tub combo. Great for the littles to have that tub in place. And then the third bedroom here on the back side of the house. They are roughly the same size. I think they're off by a few inches. And let me give you a peek at the backyard here. We have a nice covered patio space out here. And you can easily add a fence if you had any pets or you just wanted your own privacy back here. And they have a nice little outdoor patio area that they've gone ahead and installed. So I will give you a peek at the main living area and kitchen one last time. Again, this is going to be 2125 Eagles Ridge Cove in Cantonment, Florida. Please let us know if you'd like to see it. We'd love to set up a private showing for you, or if you have anybody who'd like to see it, let us know. Again, 2125 Eagles Ridge Cove in Cantonment, Florida.